Radhe Radhe. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada appeared in this world in 1896 in Calcutta, India. He first met his spiritual master Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Saraswati Goswami in Calcutta in 1922. Bhakti Siddhanta Swami, a prominent religious scholar and the founder of 64 Gaudiya Math Vedic Institute, like this educated young man and convinced him to dedicate his life to teaching Vedic knowledge. Srila Prabhupada became his student, and in 1933 he is formally initiated disciple. At their first meeting in the 1922, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Saraswati requested to Srila Prabhupada broadcast Vedic knowledge in English. In the years that followed, Srila Prabhupada wrote a commentary on the Bhagavad Gita, assisted the Gaudiya Math, and its work, and it 1944 started back to Godhead. The English fortnight magazine single-handling and Srila Prabhupada edited it, typed the manuscripts, checked the galley proofs, and even distributed the individual copies. The magazine is now being continued by his disciples. In 1950, Srila Prabhupada retired from married life, adopting the Banasparatha, ordered to devotee for time to his study and writing. He traveled to the holy city of Vrindavan, where he lived in humble circumstances in the historic temple of Radha Damodara. There he engaged for several years in deep study and writing. He accepted the renounced order of life sannyasi in 1959. At Radha Damodar, Sri Prabhupada being work on his life's masterpiece, a multi-volume commentated translate of the 18,000 verse Srimad Bhagavatam. He also wrote Easy Journey to Other Planets. After published 3 volumes of the Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Prabhupada come to the United States in September 1965 to fulfill the mission of his spiritual master. Subsequently, His Divine Grace wrote more than 50 volumes of authoritative, commentated, translate and summary studies of the philosophical and religious classes of India. When he first arrived by foreigner in New York, foreigner in New York City, Srila Prabhupada was practically penniless. Only after almost a year of great difficulty did he establish the International Society for Krishna Consciousness in July of 1966, before he passed away on November 14th, 1977. He had guided the society and seen it grow to a worldwide confederation of more than 100 ashram, schools, temples, institutes, and companies. In 1972, His Divine Grace introduced the Vedic system of primary and secondary education in the West by founding Gurukula School in Dallas, Texas. Since then, his disciples have established similar schools throughout the United States and the rest of the world. Srila Prabhupada also inspired the construction of several large international culture centers in India. The center of Sri Dhama Mayapur in West Bengal, in the site for a planned spiritual city and ambitions project for which construction will extended over many years to come. In Vrindavan are the magnificent Krishna Balaram temple and international guest house, Gurukula school, and Sri Prabhupada memorial and museum. There are also major culture and educational centers in Mumbai and New Delhi. Other centers in planet in a dozen important locations on the Indian subcontinent. Srila Prabhupada's most significant contribution, however, his books, highly respected by scholars for their authority, depth, and clearly, they are issued as text books in numbers college course. His writing has been translated into over 50 languages. The Bhakti Vedanta Books Trust, established in 1972 to publish the works of His Divine Grace, has thus become the world's largest publisher of books in the field of Indian religion and philosophy. In just 12 years, despite his advanced age, Srila Prabhupada circled the globe 14 times on lecture through that took him to 6 continents. In the spite of such vigorous schedule, Srila Prabhupada continued to write politically. His writing constitutes a veritable library of Vedic philosophy, religion, literature, and culture. So I think Sri Prabhupada Grace A.C. Prabhupada Bhakti Vedanta Sat Sat Naman, Sat Sat Naman, Sat Sat Naman. God bless you, His Supreme Soul. I think that is one of the most great men. He was the most great man in the world, entire world. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।